Trust nature.
You join us in Ecuador and Matt is going exploring.
So we're now in Quito. Ian's gone for a nap, I've gone for a free walking tour. See lots of nice colonial buildings all the way around the... Oh, this is the town hall. Needs more cowbell. So some people have been asking about the accommodation. This is the room we are currently in. It's a 4-bed dorm. We're quite lucky in the fact that we have got some storage as well.
We've been recommended to come here by Gina at the hostel.
It's a bit of a strange mix. Chicken, potato, like a ceviche, leche de tigre.
Leche de tigre. You'll remember that from episode 1.
So what I've got is a leche de tigre. It's like a firm, fishy fish in there.
Correction, I'm pretty certain this chicken is fish.
We're doing a food walking tour of the city of Quito. Quito.
Experience Ecuador through my mouth.
Gristly bit of placenta.
Yum, yum. It doesn't actually taste that bad. The texture's weird, but like...
You can almost see through the tube of small intestine that I'm about to put in my mouth. Up the colon. I've always been quite cynical when I watched I'm a Celebrity, that just put the thing in your mouth and chew it. But since I'm still chewing the intestine that I put in my mouth 5 minutes ago, I have a lot more sympathy.
Jeffrey, what have you done?
Yeah, go on, have a little sip. We're now going to go back to the...
This is where a police officer asked us to put the phone away, otherwise it might get stolen. Anyway, the main reason we were in Ecuador was to go to the jungle, the Amazon to be precise.
What's in? Or stinky turkey?
We're leaving the boat and we're going for an explore through the jungle. Listen to the sound the leaf makes. It's like a drum. We've just gone to the jungle medicine cabinet. There's leaves that looks like a cow's hoof and you boil them up and that acts as a contraceptive. Apparently it's very powerful and can last up to a couple of months. And there's also a parasite, which looks like monkey tail, and that cures diarrhea. Then we got the chance to eat ants.
Action!
Lemon ants.
Lemon ants.
Put your tongue inside.
Oh wow!
Well, that's like sherbet.
Show your camera like the ants.
Oh my god.
Are they crawling in your mouth?
It's like sherbet.
Yeah!
It's completely lemon.
We've just been warned not to touch the water because there are stingrays and electric eels in there. Definitely butcher this pronunciation, but palma caliente is the walking palm. So it tries to find sunlight and then sends out roots in the right direction and then kind of moves along the forest. Here's a game for you. Spot the frog.
I heard it go goop.
Stop being a pussy and swing back.
Trust nature.
There are dolphins in the water, and we're trying to spot some. Now it's a shallow river with tree trunks and other debris in it, so the dolphins weren't flipping out of the water like you would see at SeaWorld. But it was still really cool. Then we went on a night hike and saw lots of giant insects.
Can you see they have a long antenna? Look at this. His antenna is more or less 15 centimeters the size.
I'm so scared right now.
What's the situation?
We're in the main hut in the camp that we're staying in, and a lot of the wildlife seems to like hanging out on the roof. So right up here, we've got a boa constrictor snake. You can see a tarantula that's hiding in the corner.
Today we're heading to a local community down the river, and our driver Edwin is just driving as fast and mental as possible. He don't give a damn! I think we just took out a caiman.
We've had reports of an anaconda, which we're now going to go hunt down. Anaconda! It's practically holding that tree up.
Oh yeah! You see it? Hey, branch!
Branch. So on this branch here.
The local guys can't believe that they've seen one. We just got off the boat. It's really humid and we're making our way through a local village. It's got about 100 inhabitants. Hopefully we're going to get to try some of their local cuisine. You call that a knife? What you got there? Appley smell.
My lips are getting stuck together.
It's like a mixture between an apple, a pear, and almost like French cheese. We've met our Mary Berry for the day, Maria. We pulled up, skinned and washed a whole selection of roots, then grated them on surprisingly sharp graters.
Ian, what are you doing?
I'm grating a big root right now. People thought I was mad. I couldn't handle the size. I can't, look at that, I can't even get my hand around it.
Ladies.
The water was squeezed out. And the dried rooty flakes were cooked on a hot stone. Meanwhile, Patrick has just chopped up onions, cured them in salt, and now he's chopping up oranges?
It's not oranges, it's ¿cómo es? Real lemon.
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 This finished bread is called cassave. Cassave. It's pretty spicy ceviche flavour. Got a mouthful of chili and almost like quite meaty bread.
That is a tree with buttress roots. It's in the sequoia family. This one's about 500 years old. It's massive. I can't even see the top of it. The roots are about 3 times your height.
We then visited a doctor whose main healing technique seemed to be to give people hallucinogens and then wave leaves over their head. Oh, and we had to be topless. Classic.
Ayahuasca or jahe.
Jakby narkotykowego napoju, który szaman pije, aby doświadczyć.
Try it, come on man.
To jest to i próbujemy.
It's very burnt. It's got a very charred taste. It's almost like it's like chocolate. If you burnt it until it was just like
burnt coffee and chocolate. Don't offend him. Swallow it, yeah.
So you dilute that with water and then drink it.
After to boiling.
So you boil that and then and
So we have to have this red.
Okay. Matthew, what are we doing?
So we are currently on a tributary of the Amazon. We're going to Laguna Grande and we're going to go for a swim. That's nice and warm.
Here we are in Laguna Grande, surrounded by caiman in the middle of the Amazon. With this little child that's better than all of us at swimming.
I am not a little child.
I had a race with the child under the boat. I was just tidying up my my swimming shorts, which had been like damp and like left on the side, and an object just jumped out and then basically attacked Matt's face, and we both screamed like girls. That
Don't get too close.
is what was.
Is it gone?
It's on the wall. Just as we were leaving, we saw a whole bunch of monkeys. Before leaving Ecuador, we had to go visit the place that gave the country its name. So we're here at the equator. This yellow line here is the equatorial line, and I'm currently standing on the south side of it. So what I'm going to do is, for the first time in this entire trip, I'm going to step over to the north side of the line.
Actually, Ian, just before you do that,
What?
just a few points that you'll find out about now. So we are now at the equator, which is latitude 000, but this is only one of two lines of the equator, and we do actually have our other reporter Matt, who's out in the field. Matt, are you there? Okay, yes, hello, I am here at the... Yes, I am here at the equator, I can hear you fine. We are at the latitude 0 degrees, and that is the new 0 degrees, that is the new equator.
Because GPS.
This tourist attraction is a rival for the original equator. That's all from me. Thanks for that, Matt. And what you'll see now... Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, go on, bye-bye. Do you want to go across the line anyway?
Yeah.
Come on then. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Boom, Ecuador, done. Read about it all in the blog. There's a link in the description down below. Subscribe so then you get an alert when we put our next video up. And that's it from me.
Ciao for now.
Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful.